gotta run down.
Here we go.
All right.
You got it?
Yep.
Is that better around on the outside, up higher on the pocket?
Let's do it. There we go.
There we go. That one's good or
Yeah.
up?
That's good. It's a long jump.
It is. Make sure you make it all the way, man.
I think my feet will go on the ramp a little bit.
Ready? Kick. Okay, make sure you remember that step. Run it all the way down and even get halfway and launch it off.
All right.
Okay, ready? Go for it.
Bye, honey. Sweet.
Good job, man.
Oh,
That was sick.
oh my God, that's a long ass jump.
What's that?
When you're on over there, this ramp looks incredibly long, and when you're coming in, it's not.
This is where all the rescues happen, on this line. Kick! Clear! Nice. I got you. There you go. Good job.